Hello everyone! In this video I'll be answering the question, what owner, operator and driver devices are required? You're responsible for the acquisition, cost and maintenance of your mobile devices and any associated wireless data plans that you use to access the booking entity admin panel. Subject to this agreement, booking entity grants you a personal, non-exclusive, non-transferable, non-sublicensable user right to sign-ins, sign-out, and use the admin panel on your device solely for the purpose of providing airport transfers, Limo Hire, Limousine, booked hire, chauffeur services, and public passenger transportation services. This license shall immediately terminate in the event that you cease to provide transportation services using your mobile device, and you must then delete the booking entity admin panel dashboard from your mobile device. You agree not to give the admin panel dashboard or any associated data to anyone else. You agree that using the booking entity admin panel and dashboard may consume very large amounts of data, and booking entity advises that your mobile device should only be used under a data plan with unlimited or at least very high data usage limits. Neither booking entity nor their affiliates shall be responsible or liable for any fees, costs, or overage charges associated with any data plan. To learn more about the agreement, please continue to our next video, and thank you for watching.